Welcome to Aerosoff, a drone solutions company. Curious how orthomosaic maps and models can help your construction projects or construction company? An orthomosaic map involves stitching hundreds or thousands of drone images together to make a finalized map of the geographic area. These images differ from regular images as the ortho photos are geometrically corrected to remove lens distortion, camera tilt, and elevation changes. This makes orthomosaic maps an accurate representation of the Earth's surface, par with satellite images, except these images are current. These maps can function as an accurate tool for measuring true distances in areas of land or structures, since the maps we do are in 2D and 3D at variable altitudes. From post-construction to the final inspection, drone mapping can streamline every stage of a major construction project. This also helps engineers and surveyors achieve accurate topography surveys, locate drainage spots, vegetation, and waterways. Construction projects can be big operations with dozens of parties involved, from clients, investors, contractors. All these parties having good communication is crucial for reducing mistakes and finishing the job according to schedule. One of the biggest reasons clients utilize frequent drone mapping is because of how easy it is to share and discuss the data. These maps allow investors to keep tabs on the project and visualize the work being done. Orthomosaic maps improve communication with overlaid CAD drawings that allow for a comparison, exposing if the utilities, drainage, and pavement are all located in the correct areas. Since the orthomosaic map covers the entire site, it also serves as photo evidence for any conflicts that come up. Disputes about work progression, extensions of time, and delay are common on big projects, and if the necessary records are unavailable or incomplete, disputes can become more expensive and time-consuming. However, when you have aerial photo documentation, it'll be much harder for any of the parties to dispute issues like this down the line. Project managers have the ability to make more strategic decisions when there are drones monitoring progress on a weekly or monthly basis. Safety risks of on-site materials, potential or pending change orders, work endurances, and so on can all be identified with aerial photography. Please reach out if you'd like more information. Don't hesitate to hit that subscribe button as we'll be uploading more videos.